put it thick. It's still not enough, I could tell.
Yeah.
That's what I have to do is that. Go across it so I could try to sand it.
Yeah. And
I
leave
don't
the
know if it's
center
going to
proud.
work, but we'll see. There's going to be a lot of fucking sanding. But it sands pretty easy though, I have to say.
And we have the air sander if we need it.
Yeah.
If it gets to that point where it's too much by hand.
I could feel it now. Perfect. So there's a dip still fucking right here. I'm gonna leave that bad boy right there. I think I'm gonna leave him and let him figure it out. I don't think I have enough for this.
Yeah. You'll see, maybe have to do another one.
Yeah, to here. So let's see. That may be good. I'll do this and then I'll look and I may do another one. Or maybe I'll use the other one. The other body filler.
Yeah.
We'll see how it looks.
It's looking like
Oh. Well, that's fucking not nice.
Yeah.
I don't have enough of this. Come on, baby.
I have just enough.